Well, in great news for India's economy and economic growth story, what we are seeing is a high in the IIP, or the Indian Industrial Production as it's called. It's a high in the last 6 months and it has gone up to 5.2%, and there has been a growth in the manufacturing sector of 5.8%. Now, before I break down what it really means for Indian economy, let's quickly understand the reasons behind it. Well, according to the Finance Ministry, one of the main reasons behind this is the growth in the manufacturing sector, which means that there has been more private investments. People are, of course, spending more. That is because in many cases, the personal taxes have gone up. So people, while they want to save, at the same time, they really want to consume. And all of this, of course, is going to have an impact as far as the manufacturing sector is concerned. So obviously, when you see a growth in the manufacturing sector, the corporate sector wants to keep pace, which is why they are also producing more, and all of this has an increase as far as the IIP is concerned. Now let's understand what it really means. Well, world over, there's a lot of economic uncertainty going on because of multiple reasons, political upheaval, or there are wars and all of that. So therefore, India really stands out. All of this is happening, one, politically speaking, ahead of the Delhi elections. The big budget, of course, is going to be presented on the 1st of February in the parliament during the budget session. And of course, the big challenge for the government over here, as well as for the finance ministry, are twofold. One, we have been seeing a sluggish growth as far as the GDP is concerned. And there has been a certain amount of concern as far as the GDP rates are there. This increase in IIP at least gives some hope that things will be sorted out, and that in future one can see more of an economic growth or an increase in the manufacturing sector. But that apart, it also gives a huge leg up as far as the feel-good look of the budget is concerned. The industrial sector is obviously looking at huge benefits coming in from the government. They do want some tax rebates. They also want more SOPs, and that wooing has been taking place. There have been representatives who have been meeting the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, and they have been asking that we need to have some more benefits, and only if those benefits happen that we can see an all-round growth in the manufacturing sector. This is, of course, going to be one big factor, and the IIP figures certainly gives that hope to the government that we can send out a message that despite the tugs and pressures and the concerns, at least the Indian growth story is very much alive.